भविष्य को तराशने और बुलंदियों को छूने में भारत हमेशा से ही एक कदम आगे रहा है। जहां हर तरफ भारत के प्रतिनिधियों के संघर्ष और सफलता के किस्से सुनने को मिलते हैं, तो आइए हम आपको लेके चलते हैं 66th वर्कप्लेस सस्टेनेबिलिटी कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड सेकेंड एलएलएन लग्जरी रियल एस्टेट अवार्ड 2016 के अवार्ड फंक्शन में, जो आयोजित किया गया था मुंबई में, जहां प्रतिनिधियों को उनकी कलाओं को परखते हुए एलएलएन लग्जरी रियल एस्टेट अवार्ड्स और लीडरशिप अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। तो आइए देखते हैं इस पूरे लग्जरी अवार्ड फंक्शन की एक झलक।
Grey book, you say, call the army. I think we two Pongos would say that. If ever you run out of problem and you're looking for a solution, look at the army. It's a living example of how things can get done. So when you are saying it's the ego, yes, it has to be there. Example has to be set. It's the quality of leadership. Even this will never ever change. Your personal example. That will still.
The highest number of alarm clock, the highest number of stopwatch, all these three companies are same, and it is called Samsung. While they don't make anything out of these three, because they sell the mobile phone, the smartphone. So going forward, I think internet has changed our life, and going forward it will keep changing our life. But of course, there is a lot of negative catalyst also. Like people used to say, there are a lot of threats also is there. So हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि रात को बच्चे नहीं सोते हैं, अगर आप लाइट बंद करो ना बंद करो, वाईफाई बंद करो, तब बच्चे सोते हैं. People used to carry there are phrases which has been changed. Now there are old time phrases used to be by बड़ों का सम्मान करो, छोटों को प्यार करो, जितनी चादर उतनी पैर. We used to listen all those phrases, but now the phrases has been changed. सर उठा के वही चलता है जिसके पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं होता है. शरीफ वही है जिसका मोबाइल पासवर्ड लॉक नहीं है. मेहमान नवाजी का तरीका बदल गया है. पहले लोग आते थे तो बोलते थे कि चाय पी लो, कॉफी पी लो. अब आते हैं, आप मोबाइल फोन लीजिए, बोलिए मैं चार्जिंग पे लगा दूं. और अगर आपने गलती से उनको वाईफाई का पासवर्ड दे दिया तो आपको दंडवत प्रणाम करेंगे और कहेंगे कि आपसे अच्छी मेजबानी आज तक कभी किसी ने नहीं की. So things are changing. People used to we remember, I normally tell people that we are so lucky people that we had wonderful childhood memories before so-called this technology took over.
You guys to have some patience. We listen to your travel woes and your facility management woes and your car booking woes, and we are not here to talk about any woes. We are here to kind of define what luxury means in real estate, how much India is ready for luxury, and as a leading international property consultancy, what is Colliers doing to promote luxurious projects in India. While Rajan is hunting for the presentation, I'm just going to request our National Director and CFO, Sumit Jain, to come and talk a bit about Colliers and what we do. Thanks.
I am Pareem Singh and I represent Indiabulls Real Estate. I am head of marketing. I work as Vice President Marketing for Indiabulls Real Estate.
So, sir, right now you got this award. So, how are you feeling? What's your feeling about this award?
It's nice considering that we operate in the luxury segment, and wherein the luxury segment is growing at a CAGR of 17 to 18%.
So myself Sumit Jain, I work for Colliers International. I've been with Colliers for 14 years. I was CFO of company and now I am heading residential leasing and sales services Pan India.
Hi, my name is Abhijit Sarkar. I'm the corporate head for Sharekhan Limited, taking care of their corporate real estate, administration, sourcing and travel.
Hi, this is Gyandeep Bhuya. I am from Rohan Lifescapes. I head the sales, marketing and CRM for Rural Lifescapes.
Sir, few minutes before you got this award, so how are you feeling?
It's very exciting. It's pleasant that we have won this prestigious award for Rural Lifescapes, and I think Asian Luxury Real Estate Award has been very prestigious for us, and we really are honored for that.
Hi, I'm Mona Chilota. I'm from Colliers International. We are one of the world's largest IPCs, having over 600 offices across 59 different countries.
Hey guys, let's talk to the people who have just marked the history with the leaders of the future. Now let's meet Mr. Rajan and his team, who is gonna introduce to the major events. Hi sir.
I'm the founder of Facility Managers Worldwide and Under Real Estate Luxury Network. FMW was established in 2003. Since the last 10 years, we have organized more than 65 conferences and more than 10,000 people have attended, more than 3,000 organizations have supported us.
Sir, like you're the head, you're the marketing person of the company, sir. What are your words for the future and people who want you to get interacted with?
See, we create such a platform. We create a platform here for people to engage, connect, network, and this is the main thing what we do. This actually is a platform to connect people and get business more.
Hey guys, I'm with a legendary woman who has been a part of facility management, Mrs. Sandhya Advani. Now let's talk to her and know about her experiences all alone. Hi ma'am.
Hi, my name is Sandhya and I work for a company called as Excelia Kale Solutions Limited. I'm very happy to be here and getting this award. As far as admin and facility management is concerned, there are not too many women. You won't see, I think most of the times you'll see men, so very few women in this field because it's quite a demanding field. And you're on duty 24/7. At times you have to forget your family and you've got to be there and focused and help people out.